What is happening? Today we're going to be replacing the shifter linkage on the night train. I bought one from Amazon and it looked good on Amazon, but we were up at the rock store the other day and I looked over at the bike and it just looked cheesy. I didn't like it that much. So what do we need to do this? I'll show you here. You'll need a 7/16 socket. Can you see that? Anyway, trust me, it says 7/16. And you'll need a wrench. I happen to have a ratcheting wrench, which is really going to come in handy. Here is what the stock shifter linkage looks like. It's okay. Doesn't look that great on the bike though. A lot of people change these because they're easy. And here's what I'm going to put on. A Willie G. I had this on before. It was okay. The thing I don't really like about this is the part in the middle. On the other Willie G shifter linkages that I've seen is a lot longer. This middle part right here. I don't know why this is shorter. Maybe it's because it's for a Sportster or something. I don't know. But I do know that it's the same length as these other ones, so it should fit on there. And I'll keep it on here until I find a used Willie G shifter linkage, the right one. You know, no big deal. But anyway, let's get ready and I'll restart once we get over to the bike. Okay, so this is super easy to do. Just get your wrenches on here. Put this on the right way. Just loosen that. It's not hard. Pull this out. This one back here, I covered the bike because you know, it's a black engine. You don't want to ding it, and be really careful of these. You will cut your fingers like crazy if you're not careful. I've done it, so. So like once I get these loosened, I just take them off by hand. So they're pretty easy at that point. And then this is just a cover. So I realize that I have all black hardware here. Let me go grab the chrome equivalent. And I'll be back. Okay, let's try this again. It's like to reassemble the opposite way that I disassembled everything. So take your time here. You don't want to cross thread this screw because you don't want to have to buy a new shifter. That would suck. So just hand tighten it down. No big deal. We'll tighten everything down. Okay, so this is going to go through here. Pretty easy. Wondering if I should put the washer on the front. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. And again, this is just an acorn nut. Screw that on there like so. So we'll go back and tighten this guy. And again, man, watch your fingers on the fins. I'm serious. Okay, I'm just getting this on here like really snug. I'm not going crazy. No need to. Same with this one. There, done. So that was it. Quick 5-minute job. Changing out the shifter linkage. It looks pretty good from this angle. And check it out. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks.